up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm doing some unboxings today, and right now I have the Spring 2026 from FabFitFun. It is, their boxes are always so cute. It is this Frida Kahlo-esque girl covered in botanicals. Love her. And yeah, let's see what's in this gigantic box. I have really loved FabFitFun. It's allowed me to try different brands and a few higher end products that I normally wouldn't buy for myself. So first thing is this butter yellow backpack. I did not realize it was this large when I chose this item, but that's great. I think this will be perfect for the beach or like adventures when me and Violet go on like our adventures, just to like throw on our backpack. You know, we do some hikes and even picnics. Like this would be perfect. It's big enough to like fit a cooler plus like a blanket or something, and then our drinks. And everyone's obsessed with this butter yellow. I really love it. So I thought this was perfect for the spring summer season. So there's that. I think I did add on some products in this spring FabFitFun, so we'll get to that. I can't remember which was which. Ooh, and then I did choose this bag. Look at how beautiful that is with the little pin detail. I don't really use straps with bags. I'll either wear like a backpack bag, but when I go out in the evening or just like during the day, I always carry. So I saw this and I was like, this is 100% my style bag. Tuck it up, carry it, whatever it is. Super cute. Love that. Next is the Voluspa Vanilla Visions candle, I believe. Really, like I absolutely love gourmand scents. Oh, it's a perfume. I thought it was a candle. Wow, look at how cute the packaging is. Do you see the iridescence? Look at how cute that is. The bottle is stunning. Very light. It's like a super airy breeze of vanilla. That's how I would describe this. Yeah, it's like a very powdery, breezy vanilla. I do tend to like deeper scents, but this layered with something a little bit deeper would be really nice. It does smell really good. It's slightly sweet once it dries down, but very airy. Next is the Biro Golden Carrot mask. I already have this, so I'm gonna put this in my giveaway bin. Love that product. Then we have the Soft Pinch Blush from Selena Gomez in Happy. I have this. I love it. I'm not sure why I got a second one. Maybe because I loved it so much I wanted to get one for like my gift bin. I honestly can't remember. And we have the Biro New York Mango Yogurt Balancing Mist. Love Biro New York. Very cute. Then we have the Ulla Henriksen Peptide. I have one of these in creme brulee. This is in lingonberry. Yeah, these are great. These are honestly really good. I've seen them recently. I've seen them recently at TJ Maxx for like $8, and I think they retail for like close to $30. It's just a great overall lip jelly. Oh, and then I got the Banana Bright Vitamin C Stick in guava. I see why I chose this. Anything that says guava, I'm going to buy. I like can't help myself. I just love the smell of guava. I love the color of guava. What is this? Okay. I don't know if this is like a concealer or a skincare. The CC stick. Yeah, so this is like an under eye concealer. Which weird, I just tried to rub it in and it totally like peeled on my hand. I'm not sure about that. Oh, in this I chose like a mystery item. So I think that's what this is. Sometimes you have the option to choose like a mystery item from one of your picks. So I'm pretty sure that's what this is. Oops. Okay, so it's the LMS Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I definitely got one of these in my Ipsies. Perfect for travel, love that. Then is the Spongel Freesia Pear. 14 uses, exfoliate, massage, and nourish. It's like a sponge. Oh, weird, it's like hard. And it smells like soap, so I think it's like a pre-soaked sponge. Interesting, I'm gonna give that a try. This is pretty cute. This makes sense for like travel, I guess. You know, if you like need to bring your loofah with you, you can have like a pre-soaked loofah. Okay, interesting. And then the iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. I have had mixed reviews with Iconic London. Some products I like, and some products I like do not like at all. This is a really beautiful palette though. This would be fun to experiment with. Let me know if you want to see a look with this palette. Leave me some type of like gold or orange emoji. And these I added on. I've used these before and they work really well. They're like a natural coconut whitening. So I saw these for a really good price on there, so I definitely added these on. I picked them up, so I'm gonna use those. And then we have another preloaded sponge from Spongella, Juve Rose, 30 plus washes. Cute. Very strong. Like the rose smell is very, very strong. But interesting idea. The smell would pair well with like a Paris trip. Okay, and then I chose some of these and I added some on. I can't remember which is which, but Coach had some jewelry on there for a really good price. And then Olive and Piper. So let's see what we got. This is like, I definitely thought it was a chunkier charm bracelet online. Like I definitely thought it was like chunkier. Another charm bracelet. I definitely remember thinking these were like big charms. But as you can see, they're very delicate, which is cute for layering. I personally prefer chunkier jewelry. I do have like large features. I know that sounds so weird to say, but like I have bigger lips, I have a bigger nose, I have big eyes. You know, I'm a curvy type girl. And I just think delicate jewelry doesn't look as flattering on me as like larger pieces. But that's okay. This little heart necklace, super cute. Again, good for layering. I definitely also thought that was like a bigger charm. And then let's check out this. The ring is gorgeous. So it's this little one right here. That is what was in my spring 2026 FabFitFun box. If you like these videos, leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.